Alright folks, in the intro to the last video I said this was going to be a two-parter. In order to keep this under 30 minutes, this is going to be a three-parter. Something else I also said, now I can't remember. Oh yeah, I said that there was going to be a lot of machining in that video. It turns out I did more blabbing than showing machining. This video you'll see a lot of machining, so the blabbing is over with. So I hope you enjoy, and there will be a third part coming out next Friday. Feel that light? Yeah, I guess. Alright, well, the other side is faced off. You've seen, I didn't show doing it because you've probably seen people facing 10 billion times. I'm using an old carbide insert because I don't want to really wear out my nice cherry aluminum insert. I pull that out for the final passes to get a nice finish. And did I didn't bring it over here. Can I make it? Alright, yep, got my mic. Did cut off the arbor, face the other end of it, so I've got a beautiful 12mm arbor to add to the special tools drawer. And I did it because I'm thinking that fit the gears perfectly, that fit the lathe for Deez. So if I do the Reamer, 12mm Reamer, and this doesn't go in there, I have to use the boring tool because I'm going to make this the same size as the gears that he sent me. And I stopped here because I made exactly 400 thousandths. Normally I use my chuck spider, which has the Allens in it to make it perfectly parallel to the face of the chuck. I wanted to check to see just how good the jaws are on here in my little 1/2-inch sterret. This is why I love this guy. It goes every place. It just fits where I need it to fit. Alright, where's the 0? Great. Don't have it. Bring my magnifying glass over. Hopefully it's swing. Yeah, just misses the camera. Alright, what then? Jeez, how am I going to do this? I have to back it up slightly. Oh, jeez. A lot. Where the heck is it? Oh, it's on this face. Okay, so I can do it over here. Beautiful. Okay, so I'm at 400, just over 2,000. Under, wow, so this is crooked. It's under by a little bit under 1,000. And under by 1, 2, almost 3,000. Boy, this is crooked chuck jaws, huh? And right on the money. This must have been what I calipered. Alright, so the chuck spider comes out here. Let me loosen this up and put that guy in there. And I did pound on it too to get it all up, make sure it was seated all the way against the jaws. And the tape goes to the logo, so I know it's gonna be perfect. Come on. There. And I can get this out of here because the depths are going to be different. So, be interested. Can I still caliper it? Oof. No. It's just about as big as the thing. So, when I'm... That's going to be a problem, huh? I take the mic off because I got to go get my hammer. My favorite rubber mallet, huh? It should, when I do a cut, I should see it intermittent cut. Did I tighten that too much? What did I do? Yeah, I did do it pretty tight. Alright, well. And I just recalibrated this thing the other day, so tighter. Alright, well, let's see what it's going to do. I wish I could get on there to measure it. Might be able to just squeak on it. But, let's see, huh? bring it in. I'm going to take a very slight cut. Where am I at? Yeah, I can afford to go in further. Alright, take it out. I'm going to try taking a 1/1000 cut. See what happens, huh? Or somewhere around there. There we go. Just scraping it. Yep, it's an intermittent cut. So, alright, let me take it in a couple of thou here. I want 2 thou, 3 thou. Yeah, it's still intermittent. Because, yeah, I measured more than that. I think the calipers too can probably grab it. Oh yeah, I have 40 thou to go, so I got lots of room here to play with to see about getting this thing perfect. Doesn't need to be, I mean, geez, it's gear. 3-4 thou worth of wobble, who cares? Alright, so I want to go 1, 2, 3 more thou. Yeah, it's starting now to take a full cut. Yeah. I'm going to do it with my right hand. The left arm is just getting tired and burning. Yeah, I kind of like this insert too because it's got the chip brick around. You know, the aluminum ones, I get huge long strands. Well, let's see if I can check it now and see where it is. Hopefully I can get on it, you know. Alright, it's backed out, off. Can the mic get on there, huh? Yeah, it sort of can, but boy, is that crooked. Read it. 21.5. Boy, is that tough to do, huh? Yeah. 21. 21. 21.5. I'm probably tilting is what's wrong. 21. Yeah, this is perfectly flat. I forgot to count. I don't know if that's the fourth one or not. Oops. 21. So, yeah, it's going to be perfect when I'm done here. Oh, I forgot to... Yeah. Don't need the magnifying glass anymore. I should be at what now? Yeah, 96. So, okay. I got a ways to go here. And I'll bring you back, I guess, when I'm ready to start cutting that little shelf. Camera's a bit crooked here. Oh, there it is. I think I'm 5 thousandths thicker than I should be, but who cares? I've got the spacer, everything's done. I could drill it out now, get it close for the reamer, but I'm just going to wait for now until the reamer's supposed to show up tomorrow. It's coming postal service, so I should get it around 10 o'clock. But that looks pretty good. Actually, I got to take it out of the spacer, out of the chuck spider, because the hole isn't big on the spider, and I don't want to make it bigger because all the leaves will break loose. So let me get it out now, right? Hey. Yeah, see, nothing there. If I would have done that, I would have broken all the leaves loose. So, oh, you guys can see the other side of it. Put this on the bench behind. So there's the back of it, front of it. Yeah, I should have plenty of room here to do the center. But I might run Scotch-Brite over this. Oh, it's got oil on it. Ish. Yeah, I have to clean it up some. But there it is, one blank, ready to go. It's the right thickness, like I said, except for 5 thou. That looks really thick, so this is going to be interesting. Once I have everything drilled out, I can mount it on the arbor, put it back in here, and then turn the outside diameter. Alright, I just wanted to see just how good is this arbor. So I grabbed one of the 5Cs here. Clean this all up, right? Yeah, kind of dirty in there, but where is the notch? Always fun trying to find it. You spin it, you never get it. Yeah, look at that. Oh, there it is. Okay, good. Got it. Alright. Yeah, pulling it in. And oh, I gotta get the nut off there. Don't have to, but why not? And boy, is that a snug fit. Yeah, the 5/8 was, wow. There. Alright. Yeah, it pushed it in, which was collapsing it. The 5/8 that I turned was oversized. So, when I skimmed off some of it. Alright, so let's get this up on the granite plate. I've already wiped it down. Bring the camera over here so you guys can see that surface, and I'm using my best test, which means every tick is a 1/2 thou. So this is really going to check how bad it is or good it is. There we go, got it. And this guy's straight. Yeah, good, okay. That's tight. Loosen it, get it up. Ooh, I gotta go more sideways here. Yeah, that'll work. That's too low, I think. Up there, tighten it. And, ooh, still too low. I want that up more. I want that straighter. Yeah, that's more flat there. Alright, so, wow, that's way up. Okay, well, get load and indication. Where's the peak? There. That's the peak. Bring it down some. I hope the camera can see this because I've got a reflection here from the lights up above. Alright, so I'm not on the 0, but I just wanted to see, pull the pin out here as I turn it. Whoa, whoa, why are you that far off? That's high, huh? Yeah, it's this 5C and how it captures. Speed. How come I'm not spinning it around here, huh? There. And I can't do anything about it. I can't spin that or anything. I wonder if that was dirty in there. Let me grab the other 5C. See if it's any better. Because that was like 2-3 thousandths. Jeez, come on off, huh? There. Jeez. Pull that out. Wow, that's jammed in there.
Sorry, I don't know that.
I didn't ask you. Alright, here is the other 5C. Is there dirt in there? Can't tell. Pull it in and out. Maybe that'll do something with the dirt. Alright, well. There, found it. Pulls it in. And that's clamped. Okay. It's loose. Spins. Alright, so let's try that one now, huh? I could actually try it on the... Yeah, this is in a whole different position. Look, I'm not even... Oh, yeah, I am. Alright, where's the peak? there's the peak. Bring it closer to 0. Tap. Okay, it looks good. Yeah, that collet was not good. I'm going to leave this in here the way it is. Oh no, I got to take it out to do it. So basically my run out is, that's a quarter back to 0. Wow. So I'm about 250 tenths run out on this thing. I don't want to leave this guy out. So yeah, that other collet got a problem, or I had dirt in there, who knows. Put that away, and yeah, I said I still have to take it out because I got to try it on that blank that I do, but at least I know it works in this one. So I'm going to leave that collet in this thing. Alright, that's it. Well, here goes nothing. That is an 11 millimeter hole, 12 millimeter drill bit, which is undersized. I mean an ER32 because I want this as solid and as straight as it gets. If this over drills the hole and that arbor fits in there, I'm screwed. I just ruined the part. But I got no choice because the reamer would have to take off almost 40 thou, and that's way too much. So here goes nothing, folks, right? I don't want to see this bit move at all. So let's just come in and just kiss it, right? It moved, but I've got no choice but to just keep going. Slow it down. It's chattering. There. I see chips coming off of both flutes, so that's good. Just go in as fast as I can and kill it. That should be undersized. I don't care if it's slightly off center, because I'm going to, there, kill it. Got it, done. Alright, it's kind of tight coming out. Back it up. Please don't fit. Where is, oh, I gotta take the mic off again. Alright, there goes nothing, huh? Mic back on. Take the nut off. And it doesn't fit. Ooh, it's right there, boy. Is it tight? Ooh, good. So the reamer should do it. And everything will be good then. Yeah, I'll have a nice tight fitting everything. And that hole will fit his bushings that are on the Vevor lathe. Alright, wow, great. Okay, done job, folks. Well, Saturday, the reamer came in. The description on eBay said this is 12 millimeters. It's an over. But written on it, it clearly says 0.4720, which means it's under. I mic'd it, and it seems like it's a half a thou over. It's going to cut something here, so I don't know what's going to happen, but this is my only choice. So I can't use a boring bar because I know it's not going to be on center. Therefore, I'm going to be making an oval hole. Well, should I put some in there too? Why not? Yeah. Alright, well, shoot. Here goes nothing, huh? Do it right. Yeah, it's cutting something. It's not through. There, it's through. I don't know if it really cut anything. I don't think it did. Well, let's see if the arbor fits in there. Didn't bring it over here. Where's the paper towel? Here we go. So I may be stuck here. This is not the right reamer. Arbor. Oh, I'm going to take the mic off. I may be stuck with trying to do a boring bar after all. Get the nut off this thing. Does it go in? Wow. It wants to seize in there is what's going on. Shoot. It's close, but this is not an over reamer. So he will be hearing about this Now, how the heck do I do this hole? Shoot. I've got no choice but to just try to kiss it with the boring bar. Get this thing out of here. Long sucker. It was brand new too. It's got a it had the plastic all over it that I had to tear off. So boring bar, great. All right, let me set up for boring then. See if I can do it. Wow, I just barely scraped it. I don't know if you guys can see the amount that's on this cutter, but it was like 2/10 I dialed in, and it cleaned it up enough that it just goes in there nice and tight. Perfect. Does rock slightly, but that's perfect. So now, okay, I just set up for cutting the teeth. No, I got to do the OD on this thing next. Got to bring it to the correct diameter. So, wow, jeez, beautiful, huh? Deburr that thing. There we go. Right, this guy. Perfect. Oh, that's a beautiful. On the other side, looks like I already deburred. Yeah, I already did it. So I already cleaned that up. So, perfect gear, huh? Yeah. Alright, so this goes on here. I'm going to put it on there this way. Nice tight fit. Where's the... Oh, we're on the other bench. Yeah. So I can change the jaws out. Oh, look at this. This is just too good to be true, huh? Yep, nice and tight. I can do it with these jaws, actually. Yeah. Let's see what it's going to spin like. It should spin pretty true. Yeah, look at that. Barely any wobble on the outside. There is some, but... So I think I am going to change the jaws out anyway. Alright, let me set it. I'm going to do this to dimension, and then I'm going to set up for cutting the actual teeth.